Hello guys, I'm excited to announce you the launch of the Blackview's latest rugged model, the BV9300. You can now take advantage of our promotional pricing while watching the official unboxing video. This flagship smartphone is equipped with a powerful octa-core Helio G99 processor, the fastest 5G chipset on the market, coupled with the massive 21GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. It also boasts a monstrous 50,080 mAh battery and a dual 50 megapixel plus 32 megapixel camera setup. Additionally, the smartphone comes with a laser rangefinder, making it a precise measurement tool. Starting from today until May 14th, the BV9300 will be available at the lowest price worldwide. Discount coupons and the official Blackview sales links are available below this video. Don't miss out the opportunity to get your hands on the latest and greatest rugged smartphone, the BV9300. Just order yours today.
$6.24. $35.2829.
Dad, why not use Blackview BV9300? A rugged phone is fast, easy to use and portable, laser rangefinder.
Is it really fast, easy to use, and portable?
Of course! Whether you're measuring the length of a wall, the area of a cable, or the volume of your packet, Blackview BV9300 is all that you will need. Whether you need a presentation pointer in a conference, or to play with cats, to measure the length of abdomen, measure body height, or distance between two cars, BV9300 has the cover all, even with glove mode sport.